Question number 4. The picture shows a rectangle divided into two parts. Instead of the broken line separating these parts, draw a straight line to divide the rectangle into two other parts of same area. Calculate the areas of these parts. Okay, let's start. Children, look at this figure. Here, a rectangle is divided into two parts, especially two unequal parts. We have to calculate the areas of both the parts. Before, I named the rectangle as A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. Here, AB equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5 centimeter. That means the length of the rectangle AB equal to 5 centimeter. Next, AD, the breadth of the rectangle AD equal to 3 centimeter. Then the area of rectangle ABCD equal to L into B. Equal to 5 into 3, 15 centimeter square. So the area of the given rectangle is 15 centimeter square. Next, join SQ. We got two trapeziums. Here APQS and SQRD are two trapeziums. We have to calculate the area of first trapezium APQS. Here both the sides are given. AP equal to 2 cm and SQ equal to 3 cm. And the height of the trapezium is also given and it is equal to 2 cm. Then area of the first trapezium APQS equal to, children, can you say what is the area of a trapezium? Yes, very good. It is equal to half h into a plus b equal to half into, what is the height of the given trapezium? Yes, 2. 2 into a and b are the sides of the trapezium. It is given as 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3. 2 and 2 cancel each other. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 centimeter square. So the area of first trapezium, it is equal to 5 centimeter square. Next we have to calculate the area of second trapezium. SQRD. It is equal to half into h into a plus b. It is equal to half into, what is the height of the second trapezium? Yes, it is the height of second trapezium, but it was not given. We have to find. Here AD equal to 3 centimeter and PQ equal to 2 centimeter. So AD minus PQ, we will get the height of the second trapezium and it is equal to 1 centimeter. Once again, AD minus PQ, we will get the length of our second trapezium as 1 centimeter. Okay. So we have to put h as 1 into A and B, the sides of the second trapezium, 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 4. 2 and 4, we will get 2 centimeter square. So the area of second trapezium SQRD equal to 2 centimeter square. Here we got the areas of the rectangle and the two trapeziums. We have to find the area of the remaining portion. How can we find the area of the remaining portion? Yes, we have to subtract the sum of areas of two trapezium in the area of the rectangle. So area of remaining part is equal to area of rectangle minus the sum of areas of two trapezium. It is equal to 15 minus 5 plus 2. 15 minus 7 equal to 8 centimeter square. So the area of remaining portion is equal to 8 centimeter square. Is it clear for you? Okay.